course, it's all wet. We had rained out, enough of rain for last week.
Same here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hello. How you doing? Have a good day.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
See you next year.
Yeah. You know, the worst part of the trip is just down the street here.
Oh, yeah.
A couple of vehicles.
Yeah.
Oh. This is an easy delivery spot right here. Hey, Tom. Nothing lovely. Always a good thing.
Alrighty, I guess we're rolling. I didn't even know. I said we were gonna film, eh? Hope the camera girl got some of it. But got 2 wheelbarrows ready to go. Just need a clear path here for my elderly basement tenants, or he'll get cranky. And I'm not worried about him. He doesn't watch my videos, so yeah. But yeah, it's probably just going to be a little short video. You can watch me actually throw some wood. How about that? Gotta clear my path. Couple feet's good. Don't gotta go too crazy. That's the problem though. You piece up and throw it, more fall. But yeah, maybe if the camera wants to take a walk all the way around the pile.
Oh, we're looking at it right now.
Remember, folks, that's been sitting out here since this time last year. That's about when we parked it there, was when I got my load of wood. Of course, we didn't film last year, but I just wasn't thinking about it and figured, you know what? This year I've been prepping all morning for this wood to come, because I did have the 49 sitting behind the truck. The truck is actually up here, and I think I got him a good enough path. Let's take a walk in the backyard, and I'll show you what I was trying to accomplish this morning. You think that's enough room? That should be good. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Oh, that tire's going flat again. Oh well. Must have a hole in the tube. She is a little chilly here in southern Ontario at the moment. Got another wheelbarrow. Got stuff moved. As you can see, look, we put another pretty brown tarp over the tent. Brand new. I believe that would be tarp number, let me think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be like number 7 tarp. A couple of them were ripped to shreds so bad I took them off. Right now there's the original heavy silver one under there, 2 blues that were ripped a bit, and the brown one from last year. And I just laid that right over top. I figure it's a little bit like insulation, not that we don't heat the tent, but yeah, this is where all that wood is basically going to go. We just start laying rows. Normally I go right to the end of the tent. We're going to keep it short and wide, and then those pieces of plywood I had resting up against my truck out there, I'll get some more of that, this cheapy aspenite. I get it for nothing. I find it here and there. And it don't matter if it's a little a little rotten because I just stack it on the tops of the wood pile just to kind of keep the snow off, and then you pull your wood out slowly, leaving pillars in the lumber pile, but eventually it's all got to kind of come down. But there you go, man. Told you I would show you the wood delivery and where we're going to stack it. Maybe later today. Camera girl she's got her sandals on. Her toes are probably frozen because it is a little chilly. Not too bad. But yeah, I don't know if you guys are interested in watching me put wood in a wheelbarrow and wheel it back here and stack it. It's kind of boring. Maybe I'll show a 5-minute clip or something like that when we get some of the piles established back here. I'm not starting on it right this instant. I got a few other little things to do, and my back already hurts just looking at the piles. So yeah, that's a mental thing. My back starts to ache when I see the wood piled in the driveway. But yeah, anyhow, there you have it, man. Sharp Customs. You know the routine. Maybe until this afternoon. I'm just gonna say, see you then. Cheers.